So have you ever sat down and thought, why is the market doing opposite of what I expect? I mean, you analyze, you wait, you take that setup, you follow all of your rules, but the market still keeps doing opposite of what you expected. Well, what if it's not even the market's problem? What if it's the way you are actually trying to understand the market environment? This is where most traders get stuck. You sit on your screen every day trying to analyze, putting in that work to find out what the market is actually going to be doing next. Then you win some trades. And after all, you just give it all back in just a single trade. And at that point, you feel shattered, you feel bad, you feel like, oh man, what am I doing? Is the market against me? You start asking some few questions. And then you start feeling like maybe I'm guessing in the market instead of actually trying to understand what the market is doing. So this is where it gets really funny. You see, most traders think the problem is just that they haven't found the real strategy yet. So they keep switching on strategies upon strategies. They learn new strategies, they get new gurus, they get new courses. Then when this doesn't work, we tend to question the tools instead of actually questioning how we are thinking on the market. And this loop continues and it becomes a problem that we have to solve. Now, this is where most people miss. The market is not a place you predict. The market is a place you learn how to read. Now, once you start seeing the market properly, you start seeing what you've been doing wrong. So you start seeing that the market is just a place where buyers and sellers react in real time. So this mindset shift is what gives you advantage in the market. Now, forget indicator for a second. The market moves because of imbalance. When the buyers are stronger, the market goes up. When the sellers are stronger, the market comes down. So behind this simple idea is something very deeper: liquidity. Now we have institutions, we have emotional decisions from traders all over the world. Now this affects the market in different ways. So you see the market going up, you see the market coming down, you see the market going sideways. It's as a result of a decision somebody is making somewhere. So once you start understanding these differences, that is when you start understanding what the market is actually doing in real time. So now this is what we retail traders are fond of doing. We see a move, we jump in, without actually understanding why is that move happening in the first place. Now we lose that market, we come out, we blame the strategy, we blame the market. We say, oh, the market is manipulating, the market is against us. It is not the market being against us. It is we not actually understanding the environment that we are actually trading in. Now, the difference is simple. A struggling trader focuses on entry and exit. A slightly better trader focuses on strategy. A better trader focuses on actually understanding what the market is doing in real time. So that shift changes everything. It differentiates, a struggling trader from a trader who has mastered himself, mastered the market, and master how the market actually moves. So if you are struggling right now, I want you to stop looking for that setup. Stop looking for a perfect setup. Rather start to understand what is actually behind the movement of the market. What is making that chart go up? What is making the chart comes down? What is even making it go sideways? It is funny for us to believe that the market moves because you just see the chart going up. It is very funny for you to think, oh, the market is going sideways because it's ranging, or is trending because it's just trending. Those are not the reason why the market moves. Now, if you want to be a better trader, you need to actually understand why is the market moving? What is causing the market to go up? What is causing it to come down? What are the factors influencing that market? Now, that can never be found in the chart. It is found in the fundamental affecting that particular market. Like the interest rate, like the economic data, like inflation, like the deployment data. All of those things influence the market, and it is important for you to find out those factors influencing the market in real time for you to make an authentic decision. So a year ago, I was this kind of trader that was very stuck in the chart. I was always looking at the chart, thinking that that is all that has to do with the market. Until that mindset actually shifted, I came to understand that the market is more than what we are seeing in the chart. The market is more than what the chart is doing, that upward movement, that sideways movement. The market is more than that. So when once that actually shifts for you, that can be the difference you've ever looked for. Now, if this actually makes sense to you, now you want to find out what are the different categories of traders doing in the market. Now, what I mean by different categories, like we have the non-commercials, we have the commercials, those big banks, the big guys in the market. What are they doing in the market that is making this market move this way? Now, those are the things you will find out and you become rooted in the market. So now all of these things actually start from you understanding who you are, you understanding the kind of person you are, you understanding what kind of a trader I am. So in this order of my video, I have broken down different categories of traders and their characteristic traits. If you have not seen it and you are confused or the kind of person you are, I would recommend you to go and see that video. It will be of great help to you. So we've come to the end of this video. We'll see you in this other video. Bye for now.